Hey everyone! Imagine launching a fully functional online store today. No coding, no tech headaches, just pure automation. Thanks to AI, building a business is now about working smarter, not harder. I used AI to create an e-commerce store that runs itself, product sourcing, copywriting, marketing, and support all automated. In this video, I'll show you the exact tools, steps, and results from my first 30 days so you can do the same. Let's dive in. Every online business needs a storefront, but setup is usually a nightmare. I skipped the hassle and used Durable AI, a tool that builds your website from a single prompt. I typed, "Create a modern online store for trending tech gadgets." In under a minute, I had a sleek, mobile-ready site. It generated everything: homepage, about us, contact form, and product listings. I added a logo, connected Stripe for payments, and my store, Gadget Flow, was ready to go. No coding, no designers, just AI speed. The entire process took less than 10 minutes. Step 1, done. A store is useless without the right product. Instead of guessing, I used Sell the Trend, an AI tool that tracks viral products across platforms. I filtered for high engagement items with fast US shipping. The winner? A sleek, portable phone charger trending on TikTok, with low competition and a high profit margin. Sell the Trend imported the product, images, and pricing directly into my store. Cost: $6.99. Selling price: $24.99. That's an $18 margin. All automated, all data-driven. My shelves were stocked in minutes. The imported product description was bland, just specs. I turned to ChatGPT, gave it the details, and asked for a catchy, benefit-driven description for busy people. In seconds, I had multiple persuasive options focused on solving the pain of a dying phone. I picked the best, added punchy bullet points and emojis, and instantly upgraded my product page. This 5-minute AI rewrite boosted my conversion rate by at least 15%. No need for expensive copywriters, just smart prompts and instant results. With the store and product ready, I needed traffic fast. For social media, I used Okoya to auto-generate and schedule posts across Instagram and Facebook. For ads, AdCreative.ai created dozens of high-converting visuals in minutes. I launched targeted campaigns for tech lovers and students and used Pictory to make TikTok videos. With just $50 in ad spend, I got clicks, carts, and most importantly, my first 2 sales. The system worked, AI brought in real customers, hands-free. Proof that automation isn't just hype. The engine was running. Sales mean questions, and I didn't want to be glued to my inbox. I installed TDO, an AI chatbot, trained it with FAQs, shipping info, and return policies. It handled 80% of customer questions instantly, even at 2 a.m. For tougher queries, it collected emails for me to follow up. Customers raved about the fast support, not realizing it was all AI. True automation, support that never sleeps. My business ran itself. Time for the numbers. In 30 days, I sold 28 chargers at $24.99 each, totaling $699.70 in revenue. Ad spend, $210. Product cost, $195.72. Net profit, $294. That's almost $300 from a store I set up in under an hour, with AI doing 80% of the work. The system is scalable, add more products, increase ad spend, and let AI handle the rest. This is proof that anyone can do it. The foundation is built, now it's just about scaling. Here's your simple blueprint. 1. Build your store in a minute with Durable AI. 2. Find viral products using Sell the Trend. 3. Write killer copy with ChatGPT. 4. Automate ads and social media with Okoya and AdCreative.ai. 5. Handle support 24/7 with TDO. Every step is powered by AI, no tech skills needed. If I can do it, so can you. You've seen the process now, it's your turn. The tools are ready, the blueprint is here. What product would you launch in your AI-powered store? Drop your ideas in the comments. Like, subscribe, and join the Automation Income community for more smart money guides. Thanks for watching. This is how we turn screen time into income time. See you in the next one.